everyone. I want to share a small HSN haul with you. I bought on the last craft day. I had bought a few things for my Cricut, and I'm going to start using my Cricut. So I moved it to a new place, and this weekend I'm going to play with it and start getting to use it. I promised my friend Ruth and Donna, who has a channel here, Donna Powered by Creativity, that I would start using my Cricut. So I'm going to start using my Cricut and everything like that. So the first thing I bought here was the Buckingham bag. It's from Gemini. It's a little handbag die, and I wanted to use it to put stuff in to when I send people a Happy Mail. I wanted to use it as the thing that I put their things in. So I'm going to cut out this and play with this a little bit. It's really pretty. It comes with, I looked at it already, and it comes with all these dies. So you can make it. She made it on there. It was really, really quick to make. So we'll see. Compatibility. What does that mean? There's a little, it doesn't go with that one. Oh, so you can't use this with the Gemini Go. You can't use it with the Gemini Junior, but you can use it with the Gemini, the big Gemini. And I have the big Gemini. So I guess it's too big for the Junior and the Go. So you'd have to have the big Gemini to use it. Oh, luckily I got that, and I don't have the Junior. So it came, the kit that I got came with, I think it came with this, but I can't remember how I ordered it. But this is the craft board sampler, and it has craft paper in it. I mean, what is it? Craft board paper in it. So it comes, let's see if I can open it. Let me do this real quick. I should have took this off before I came on camera, but you never remember that you're supposed to do this, and I don't want to tear my paper. Hold on for a second. Hold on for a second. Let's see how this goes. Well, I don't know if I really need to open it. Yeah, I don't think I really need to open it because I want to take my time and open it because I think I just cut a piece of the paper. But it comes with craft paper. It comes with craft paper in the brown, the black, the brown, and a white. So you get that, and you get, it doesn't tell you how many sheets you get in here. Let's see, how many sheets do I get? Oh, you get 30 sheets, 10 of each color. So you get 10 black, 10 brown, and 10 white, in natural white and black. So, and they're 12 by 12. So that's what you get. Nice size chipboard, craft board. Okay, it also came with a light grip Cricut mat. So it had that. And what I got was the Cricut full transfer. And it's supposed to be able to foil things without using heat and your Cricut machine. And you get 3 nibs to it. You get a small, a medium, and a large. And this is it. It goes with all the Cricut. It goes with the Cricut Maker and the Cricut Explorer thing. So it goes with the Air down to the Explorer 1. I have the Explorer 1, so I'm saving my money for the Maker, but I can't get the Maker until I figure out how to use the Explorer 1. So it comes like this. So you use the full transfer sheets to go with it. I could have sworn I ordered. They must haven't come yet. And you got the full transfer sheets. They give you the full transfer sheets in there. They give you 24 4x6. And so I think I ordered, it hasn't come yet, but I ordered an extra pack of the full transfer sheets. So once I get better at it, I'll have some more in there. But I really want to play with this and try to make a few cards and things with this on it. And a few other items like I had other things. And it also came with the spatula and the scraper. So you have those 2 things. So this was my HSN haul. Thanks for joining me. Tell me what you think. If you're Cricut people, tell me were you afraid at first when you first got it, because I think my thing has sat over there for maybe 8 or 9 months. I used it a couple of months, and then I put it over in this good spot on a shelf. And then I kind of left it over there and forgot about it. But I think I'm going to start using it more because I have a few things that I want to do, and I want to cut them right away, and I don't want to have to go look for a die. So, and I can set up things in there where I want to, do A2 cards, A4 cards, A6 cards, or things that go in my journal that I can get, and I don't have to go all the ways and use my die machine all the time. So I'm thinking about it. I'm going to get it done. I'm going to play with it this weekend. And don't forget, all my friends who have Crickets, I'll be calling you or I'll be texting you going, this is not working. So somebody's going to have to walk me through. So thank you very much. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me what you think about this foil thing. If you have it, tell me what you think about it. If you used it, and did you find it as fun? Because I'm getting excited. This is the thing that's making me excited about using my Cricut. So I'll catch you all in the next video, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye now.